How to delete an app on iPhone from settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete an app on your iPhone from settings, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete an application on your iPhone from the settings app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the settings application here. And once you launch the settings app, you can simply go to this option right here known as general and then tap on it. Once you go to the general tab, over here you'll see a different sort of interface where you can simply go to the one that says iPhone storage. And once you go to iPhone storage, here you will be able to see a list of all the applications that are available. So depending upon whichever app it is that you want to delete, just go ahead and then select that app, and then there you'll find the delete app button. So you can just tap on delete app and then just tap the delete app button to confirm the changes and delete that particular application. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically delete an app on the settings application from iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.